Welcome back to another video. Today I'm on the R6 because it's the only legal bike I have right now, so I'm taking this one out. But the difference is I'm using the new DJI camera that I have. I think it's called the Omni 4, something like that. I'm gonna have to double check when I get back, but or Action 4, something like that. I don't remember, but it'll be in the title. Obviously it'll have the correct proper name, and I'm sure I'll put the text on the screen too. But yeah, I'm testing out the new camera. Shout out to Travis for getting me this. I did not expect it. It was super kind of him, so I'm really stoked to use it. Can't really thank him enough. But that's what we're gonna be doing. I can't really do like a review on it because, well, I mean, I can talk about like the user experience, I guess, but I can't say like, oh wow, it looks much better or anything, because I can't see the video until I get home. Like I can see it on the screen right in front of my face, but obviously I can't watch that while I'm riding. But I set it to 4K and 60 frames per second, so the video quality should be pretty nice. The only problem is the way I edit videos and stuff is on my phone, and a lot of times what happens is I run out of room on my phone, so I have to save the video in 1080 because I don't have enough room to save it in 4K. So I'm a little worried that the quality is still gonna get like dropped slightly from the time I record it to the time I upload it, because I don't have enough room on my phone. But I'm trying to think of something to figure that out. I might start using my old phone to edit videos, just because I can delete everything off of there except for stuff to make videos. So that should hopefully solve that problem. It's just frustrating because it adds another step. But if it means higher quality videos, then I can do that. So I'll have to figure that one out. I finished editing the ZX-10R review video a couple hours ago, and that one I couldn't save in 4K because, like I said, I don't have enough room. 4K videos, so if you have a 20-minute video that's in 4K quality on your phone, it takes up so much room that like you don't really have room for pretty much anything else, which is unfortunate because I want my videos to be that high quality, but like I said, I run out of room. So they all end up being 1080 usually, but that video, I think it was recorded for 27 and I cut it down to 23, I think. So it's a bit on the longer side, but hopefully you guys enjoy it. I had fun making it for sure. Really like that bike so far. It feels kind of weird being back on the R6 now because I have to shift so much sooner. Like I'm in third gear right now going 30. I don't have to be, but I am. But on the ZX-10 I'd be in first and still wouldn't need to shift. So it feels different already being back on this, even though I only rode that bike technically one time. But I did successfully clear all the codes off. The procedure worked, so I don't have any codes right now, which is nice. I was able to set the power mode and everything. I put it in medium for now until I get a little more used to it, then I'll probably put it in full. But I think I turned wheelie control on. If that's which setting that was, I don't know. I'm gonna have to double check. But yeah, now I can actually set what I see. It's not flashing, no codes. It's really nice, so I'm happy about that. I have my phone mount right here. If you notice, that's new because I figured I'll do a little exploring today. Try to find some new routes to go. So if I get lost, I can put my phone right there and actually have directions. I say, what if I go get on the highway? But I don't really feel like turning around now. And by highway, I don't mean the one I usually go on. It's a huge pain to turn around and get there. So, next video. I gotta remember that for next video. I'm still trying to learn the area, and I only know how to get to that other part of the highway one direction. And I would have to turn around here, then go past it, find a different parking lot, and turn around there, and then go towards it, which I'm really not trying to do. So right now we're gonna go explore the new road I had in mind. Hopefully it leads somewhere nice and not the hood. We will find out. And then next time I go riding, I'll go on the highway. Which, unfortunately, last I checked this morning, because I'm trying to manage my time pretty well, because I have a couple of videos to edit, and I need to make a bunch of reels and shorts and stuff. So I was wondering what would be the best way to like manage it, and I saw for like the rest of the week it's supposed to rain. Today's not supposed to rain at all. It's supposed to be very nice, which it is. And then the next couple of days it's supposed to like rain and storm. So I made sure to go out today, and then I was going to just edit videos over the next day or two when it's raining and I can't really go outside anyways. I don't remember what I was going to say, to be honest. I forgot where that sentence was going. I was trying to manage my time. Right. I was saying about when I ride next, I was going to go on the highway. And what I was trying to get at is I don't know when I will be riding next because it's supposed to rain the rest of the week. There we go. That's yes. This is the first time I've taken this bike out onto the road since the whole chain incident, if you remember that. It has the brand new chain that I put on. So far, everything's going pretty well, and I am very grateful for that. I just kind of got in my own head, and now I feel like I'm going to get a chain through my leg or something. I really hope that does not happen. That would ruin my day. But we've got brand new coolant, new oil, new chain, new spark plugs, new air filter, a whole bunch of stuff. So I was gonna say, I do kind of want to see how much more responsive it is and faster, like on the 2-lane highway up there. But then I had the mental image of like going like this and the chain just flying off. So it's in the air for right now. I'm gonna put some thought into that. And by that I mean I'm not gonna think about it. I'm gonna end up doing it. But I really have missed this. I feel like I'm yapping, but I really have missed recording, going out riding and making videos and stuff. I feel like I'm talking to you guys. I have missed that. Like I said, I've been super busy this month, well, the past 2 months, mainly because of the military, but also some other things. And it feels good to be back for a little bit, which is why I'm really disappointed it's raining all week. But hopefully some of those days it holds off and I actually get to go out. Oh, also new battery. Forgot that too when I was listing all the new stuff in this bike. New battery. The reason I just remembered that is because my ass is on fire for some reason. It heated up with the old one, but I don't think it was ever this bad, unless I just don't remember it. This bike feels slow now. I mean, I only rode the GX10 once for like an hour, but now this bike feels slow. I can just tell the difference. Like, I'm not really trying to go fast right now, but you can just tell the difference. Like, it's a whole different feeling knowing the difference of like that, knowing how much it is of a difference between the two bikes. I'm having a really hard time speaking English right now, and I apologize. What I'm trying to say is you can very easily feel the difference between the two bikes when you ride them. Between 1000 and a 600. I did not think it would be as noticeable as it is, but it is. I really want to open it up, but I'm like, I don't know how much I trust myself with the chain. Alright, so this is the new road I wanted to check out. I've never been back here. I've just seen it, and it looks like it might lead to some nice like back road scenic area. So I'm gonna test my theory. Hopefully it's true. Off to a strong start. I like it. But I figured I don't want to go like the same route every single video, because obviously that's gonna get boring. So I'm trying to learn my surroundings, new roads to go on. See, there we go. That's a good sign. I like that sign. We're looking for some twisties. I'm not going to go too crazy, obviously, because like I said, I've never been on this road before. So I don't want to recreate the R3 video. I like this. This is nice. There's a park back there. Yeah, I could definitely hit this pretty fast. Should coming the other way because you got those cars pulling out of the park area. But it's still gonna cross my mind. I really like this road. I hope you guys do as well. I have a feeling I'm going to be on this road a good bit now. So the recommended speed for these ones is 30. I'll definitely take that into consideration. Probably gonna make a video on the way back too, just because I'm going a decent distance out. So, and like I said, I don't know when I'm gonna be able to ride next, so it would make sense to make another one on the way back. But again, explaining why I have the exact same outfit on. This one's probably getting pretty long as is, so eventually I'm gonna have to pick a spot and turn around. That kid was waving at me. I don't know if you can see him. That's one of my favorite parts about riding, is like seeing the excitement it brings to other people, especially kids. They always like get super excited when they see the bike and their eyes light up and stuff. And when you rev it, they get all happy. It's always fun to bring that to other people. Jeez, you want to tailgate a little more? What the? What a douche. Literally like a 3 or 4 foot gap between the cars. I hate people that tailgate so much. Especially when I'm being tailgated, I will brake check somebody with no problem. I actually could have a story time about that. I'm gonna, yeah, this is fun. Find neutral, there we go. I'm in this video here. It was like a little update, taking the bike out. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you like the new camera. Hope the settings are good. I'll find out when I get home, then edit the video, and I'm going to try to start having more than 1 week up, which I'm off to a good start for right now, but we'll see how long that lasts. But thanks for sticking with me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.